how to turn on or turn off auto transcribe recorded calls and direct voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. Next, tap on the more button at the top, and then we go down and tap on settings. In call settings, go down and tap on record calls. Then tap on transcript assist. And from here, we go down and tap on auto transcribe recorded calls and direct voicemail. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch it off. This will allow the phone to automatically convert recorded calls and direct voicemail recordings into a text transcript. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.